And this is the M60 machine gun. Excuse me. Designed to provide infantrymen with a more versatile, lightweight, general-purpose machine gun, the M60 was adapted by the U.S. Army to replace all three of its caliber .30 series machine guns. It can be fired from the shoulder, from the hip, from its bipod, or from a specially developed tripod mount. It is particularly useful in defending infantry positions against charging enemy troops. During sustained attacks where long periods of fire are necessary, the air-cooled barrel can be quickly replaced to retain its accuracy. Here's these guys with their M14s. Here's the M60. Marines armed with M60 machine gun and M14 rifles. So apparently these are Marines. That has been an M60 machine gun production.